Hello students, welcome to Pythonically. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Anaconda, which is an integrated development environment for Python. There are many IDEs available to run Python scripts in the market, but for the beginners, I would recommend that you use Anaconda because it comes with Jupyter Notebook, which is an interactive environment to run Python script, and also it has another compiler which is called Spider. And if you want to run advanced Python script, you can use Spider. So let's see how we can download and install Anaconda in this video. So you simply have to go to Google. As you can see, I have opened google.com, and you can just search Anaconda Python or simply Anaconda, and the first link that you will see is this. You have to click this link, and then there should be an option of download. If you go down, click here at the download link, it will take you to these options. So here you have Windows, Mac and Linux options. I am running a 64-bit installer because I have 64-bit system, so I will click this and it will start downloading Python 3.7 to my system. As you can see here, Anaconda XE for Python 3.7. If you have a 32-bit system, you can download this 32-bit installer, and also if you want older version of Python, you can download Python 2.7 here. So this will take some time to download, and I will pause the video, and when the download is completed, I will again resume the video from here. So the executable file has been downloaded. The next step is to actually run the exe, which has been downloaded. You simply have to right click and run it as administrator in order to without any hurdles or any installation issues. So just click run as administrator and it will start installing the Anaconda. You will be presenting with the following screen shortly. Let's see. So you will see the screen. Click next button here. Agree with the license agreement. If you want to read the agreement, I have no issues, but I have read it already, so I would click agree. You can click all users or just me. I would go with the default setting, that is all users. You can change the path if you want, but I would go with the default path. Next, and I would leave this option as it is now. You can change or add the path to Anaconda later in your environment variable, but for now you can simply click the install button and it will start installing the Anaconda environment. This can be a very long process because it downloads a lots of different libraries and modules for you, the Python modules, different IDEs like Jupyter, Spider and things like that. So this can actually take quite a bit of time to download, and it also depends upon your internet speed. How fast is your internet? So again, let's wait for this installation to complete. Once the installation complete, you will see this message that the installation was completed successfully. At this point, click next button and then again click next. So you should uncheck these buttons because they have nothing to do with the installation, and simply click the finish button and your installation is complete. So this is how you can install Anaconda in Windows. Next, we will see how to run a very simple program using Jupyter Notebook. So for that, you have to simply go to the search bar and simply search Jupyter here, Jupyter, and the Jupyter Notebook will be opened in your default browser. This is the Jupyter Notebook icon. So actually, I have Anaconda previously installed, so you will see a lot of programs in my Jupyter Notebook. But in your Jupyter Notebook, it will be very clean because there is no program by default installed. So you will see this window, and after some time, you will see Jupyter Notebook opened in your default browser. We can wait for it. So here's the Jupyter Notebook opened. To run a program in your Jupyter Notebook, all you have to do is simply click new here and then Python 3. It will create a Jupyter notebook for you, an empty Jupyter notebook. The default name is untitled. You can simply give it any name, my first notebook. And here in these cells, you can run your Python code. So for instance, we will first print a very simple statement, welcome to Python. You can do so with the print statement, the print method. Inside the print method, you have to pass a string, hello, welcome to Python. Now you have two options to run this piece of code. You can either click run here and it will run the code, or you can, at the end of the cell, inside this cell, you can either press shift plus enter, or you can press alt or control plus enter to run this code. So this is how you can install Anaconda and run your first program in Jupyter. In the next videos, we will see some basic Python concepts. If you like this video, click the like button. If you have any question to ask, you can ask it in the comment section. And finally, I would like that you subscribe to my channel so that I can keep making more videos for you. Thank you for watching.